Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making eko, which is very simple and straight to the point. And the ingredient you need to make this is just water and pap, that is raw akamu or ogi as the Yorubas call it. Eko is known as Agidi in Igbo language. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and let's get right into the cooking action. For this very simple recipe, I'll be using 100 naira pap ogi, and this is what 100 naira pap looks like. And I'm using white ogi. That's what's commonly used for eko. To start, I have a pot here and I'm going to dissolve the pap inside the pot. I'll add a bit of water and dissolve until everything is smooth. If you prefer, you can dissolve the pap in a bowl of water and then boil water in the pot, whichever one works for you. At the end of the day, we just want the akamu to end up in the pot so we can cook it in there. The ogi is nice and smooth now, and it's time to go in with water. I already started boiling water in the kettle and I'm going to pour it right into the pot. And as I pour, I will continue to stir. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you aren't already a subscriber. I have loads of amazing content on my channel and I have loads still coming your way. Okay. Alright, as you can see, the pap is thickened up, but it's not ready yet. I will continue to stir. This is just the consistency for when you want to drink ogi or akamu, but that is not what we want to achieve. We're making eko, so I'll continue to cook this on low heat. You can also put some water on the sides of the pot so it doesn't form a film, and then cover and continue to cook. It's been 7 minutes cooking the pap, and I'm just trying to do a test to see if it's cooked enough to be wrapped. This is a test you can do. Just get a bit of water, then scoop a tiny amount of the pap and drop in the water. If it holds together and doesn't dissolve in the water, that means it's ready. Unlike pap, when you put it in water, it will slowly just melt into the water. And this is me doing it again to show you. So you can do this test if you're not sure whether it is well cooked or not. But 7 to 10 minutes is fine to cook your eko. Another thing you will notice when it is well cooked is that the pap looks cuddly. It looks like it's starting to become like jelly, and it does not drop easily from the spoon or spatula. So I'm taking out the spatula and putting a scoop, which I'll be using to scoop into the leaves. You have to do this fast so the eko doesn't get cold and then molds inside the pot. So have your leaves ready before the eko is ready, so you can start to wrap as soon as you turn off the stove. And by the way, I recently uploaded a complete moi moi recipe on my channel, and there you will see how you can wrap moi moi in leaves. I show 4 ways in the video that you can use to wrap moi moi, which are really very easy, in case you want to check that out and you're wondering why I'm not really showing how I am doing this, because I don't want to take time in this video. So I'll leave the link in the description and in the card so you can check it out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, do that now so that you will not miss all the plenty recipes and very useful tips that I share on this channel regularly. Okay. I am done wrapping, and then I'll transfer everything into a plate and cool in the fridge, or you can just cool on the counter if you're not in a hurry. But I'll put mine in the fridge, you know, for some time until it cools completely. This is completely cool now, so let us review what we have. And here you have it. Eko is ready. And I almost forgot to mention that you should use less water if you want it thicker than mine. I don't like the type that I'll have to close my eyes before I swallow. So please use less water to make yours thicker than mine. There are so many ways to enjoy eko. You can have it with your favorite vegetable soup. You can have it with moi moi or akara. Some beggy people on standby. asking me to share.
I want to taste this.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye.